Hi, we're NEABots and our app is called Lexvira. We built it to help users based in the United States understand their constitutional rights.
The problem we noticed is the majority of people in the United States don't know their legal rights. For instance, a survey of over 1,500 Americans by the Annenberg Public Policy Center at the University of Pennsylvania found that in 2025, less than 9% of respondents could name all 5 freedoms guaranteed by the First Amendment of the United States Constitution. This matters because the law affects the entire U.S. population, and it is important for U.S. residents to understand what they are legally entitled to. To preserve order and a peaceful society, people must know what their rights are. We specifically chose constitutional law because it is the supreme law of the land and the foundation of all legislation in the U.S.
Run through our app Lexvira. First, it'll ask you your age range, if you're a minor or not, what state and territory you live in, and your legal status. This is because rights are different for each one. Next, to prompt the AI, we are going to give a hypothetical scenario that a user may input. The AI app then searches through our references for constitutional rights. Then it'll provide an overview of your amendments and your rights that are relevant to the question asked. And to demonstrate that our app will not hallucinate false information, here's the prompts that the references do not provide information on. As you can see, they were not able to find information from our references and instead gave you general details on it.
Now we will be going behind the scenes to explain how the app was built. First, in the background section, we explained that it was an expert in law, constitutional rights, and case law specific to the US. However, it does not give legal advice, which is information specific to one situation. Instead, it gives legal information such as this amendment guarantees such rights. In the references, we made sure to add a bunch of different constitutions from the states and the territories, as well as the United States Constitution. First, the AI model that we decided to use is Claude 4.5 Sonnet because it's best for reasoning, and the app requires logic to explain which rights apply to specific situations. For the variability, we made it 30% because laws can still change, however, they do not change very frequently. One roadblock we came across was that the app would only provide knowledge searches for information, and it would display the raw information rather than condensing it. To fix this, we changed the prompt so that it would provide concise summaries. To ensure fairness amongst users, we input its specific safeguards. First, it avoids assisting with crimes, and also it avoids language that might seem judgmental or dismissive, and is also inclusive in examples and explanations, and avoids stereotypes. Therefore, in all of the demos used to test the app, no one has observed any discriminatory answers.
One thing we'd still like to improve about our app is we would like to figure out a way to condense our references to provide more references that cover other types of law, such as family law. Making this app taught us a lot about AI and its functions. Something that we're proud of is the app itself. All 3 of us are new to AI, and learning something new and producing a product in this amount of time is something we're proud of. If we had more time, we'd love to expand our app to all areas of law and to reach a broader audience. Thank you.